Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable notifications in Savana in 2026. Whether you want to receive updates, reminders, or important account alerts, turning on notifications only takes a few moments. So let's get started. First, open the Savana app or website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the **settings* or account ** menu. Next, look for the *notifications * section. Yeah, this is where you can manage all of your notification preferences. Now, turn on the notifications you want to receive, such as account updates, messages, reminders, or activity alerts. You know, some platforms also let you choose between push notifications, email notifications, or both. If you're using the mobile app, make sure notifications are also enabled in your device's system settings. Without this permission, the app won't be able to send alerts even if they're enabled inside the app. Finally, save your changes if required, then send yourself a test notification or wait for a new alert to confirm that everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications in Savana. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.